Welcome to Melodic Dictation in the key of A Harmonic Minor, 20 melodies for transcription. You are with Yolette Stewart. A Harmonic Minor Scale Part 1. Below is an ascending and descending version of A Harmonic Minor Scale. Whether or not you understand this at this stage, C major and A Harmonic Minor scales are related. A Harmonic Minor is the relative minor key to C major, and C major is the relative major key to A Harmonic Minor. This means they share the same key signature. They essentially act as harmonic cousins to one another. A Harmonic Minor Scale Part 2. A Harmonic Minor Scale is a derivative of the A Natural Minor Scale. Study the two side by side, as there will be a melodic dictation video later dealing just with the A Natural Minor Scale. You will notice the difference between the two A minor scales is the treatment of the 7th degree, which is G. A Harmonic Minor raises the 7th degree G one step with a sharp sign. A Natural Minor does not. A Harmonic Minor Scale Part 3. Although both scales are related, the colour of each one is quite different. Many music theorists deem A Natural Minor to be a mode, so it is also known as the Aeolian mode on or in A. You will now hear the A Harmonic Minor Scale played first, followed immediately by the A Natural Minor Scale. This is so you can orally compare the two, and this is purely for reference at this point in time. This video is focusing exclusively on A Harmonic Minor Scale. A future video will look at dictations using A Natural Minor or Aeolian on A. Here is A Harmonic Minor Scale. And here is A Natural Minor Scale. Your starting note. You will be starting on the following note for most of the exercises in this presentation. Make sure you have your workbook and manuscript page set up appropriately. Later, more challenging ones may start on A on the stave. The early melodies will stick to the first 6 notes of the scale. Later ones will include the 7th and 8 degrees more. Reminder: take your time with all these melodies. The first few are 2 bars, later ones 4. It is better to repeat the melody as many times as you need to hear it or them until you master and develop your inner ear more. Do not rush this process. This is a craft or an art form that you need to nurture delicately in some senses. When listening to the melodies, ground or anchor yourself to the tonic of this key, which is A. Try to work out where all the other notes are in relation to that note. Use rhythm or slash notation to help transcribe the rhythm first if you need to. Remember to pause the video after each exercise and replay as many times as you need until you look at the answer. Melodic Dictation number 1. The following melody begins on A below middle C. See the image on the previous slide for reference. You will now have to get used to transcribing melodies using ledger lines below middle C. Remember, we are only using crotchets and quavers for now. Answer to Melodic Dictation number 1. Melodic Dictation number 2. This melody uses the first 6 notes of the A Harmonic Minor Scale. Answer to melodic dictation number 2. Melodic dictation number 3. This melody uses exclusively crotchets. Answer to melodic dictation number 3. Melodic dictation number 4. This melody comprises mainly quavers. Answer to melodic dictation number 4. Melodic dictation number 5. This melody will now use the upper A or upper tonic and the sharpened 7th degree G sharp. Listen carefully. Answer to melodic dictation number 5. Melodic dictation number 6. There will now be a greater emphasis on using the E, F, G sharp, A part of this scale. See bars 2 and 3 below. The 4 notes selected in this manner are known as a tetrachord. Answer to melodic dictation number 6. Melodic dictation number 7. Answer to melodic dictation number 7. Melodic dictation number 8. Answer to melodic dictation number 8. Melodic dictation number 9. Answer to melodic dictation number 9. Melodic dictation number 10. Answer to melodic dictation number 10. We are now moving into intermediate territory. The following exercises will be quite a lot harder from here on in. They will now be 4 bars in length, so take your time. Imagine the melodic shape as you hear it and write it. Try to see the notes being placed on the stave before you actually write the notes in yourself. The melody will now move outside the scope of 1 octave. This means notes above the upper A will be used. Only crotchets and quavers will continue to be used. Melodic dictation number 11. Here is the answer to melodic dictation number 11. Melodic dictation number 12. Here is the answer to melodic dictation number 12. Melodic dictation number 13. Here is the answer to melodic dictation number 13. Melodic dictation number 14. And here is the answer to melodic dictation number 14. Melodic dictation number 15. Here is the answer to melodic dictation number 15. Melodic dictation number 16. Here is the answer to melodic dictation number 16. Melodic dictation number 17. Here is the answer to melodic dictation number 17. Melodic dictation number 18. Here is the answer to melodic dictation number 18. Melodic dictation number 19. Here is the answer to melodic dictation number 19. Melodic dictation number 20. Here is the answer to melodic dictation number 20. Take some time, please, to review terminology we have covered in this session. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.